Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add sub-items in monday.com. Let's get started. First, go to monday.com, log in your account, and you will be led to your monday.com dashboard. Here on the top left corner, click on Workspaces. Next, click on the board where you want to add a sub-item in. For example, we are going to add a sub-item to this Start from Scratch board. Next, in your chosen board, click on Add Column at the far right of your board. Then this drop-down will appear, where you will click on More Columns at the very bottom of the drop-down. Next, the Column Center pop-up will appear. And at the top right corner of the pop-up, we have here a search bar. Just type in sub-items, then this app will appear, and click on Add to Board right here. Next, back to your board, a sub-item column is now added. Click on this Add Sub-Item Plus icon to add in sub-items to your board. From here, it is up to you how to adjust it, how to label, and how to customize your sub-items to your preference. And that is how you can add sub-items in monday.com. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.